Hello, I am doing a tutorial on how to make a video from short videos. This is for my favorite professor. The first thing is you have short videos like this, for example, and make sure that when you add these files on the online video making online is in this order, like A, and the first one is the file with the name A, the second one blue, and the third one can for go. So this is the time that you might want to change your short videos in orders on display. Okay, so when you're done with that, you can go on the internet like this and search for moviemakeronline.com, and then it will let you to this site, this one. So, and now you can start uploading the short videos. Okay, I am gonna click on the tab Add Files. It's gonna take a few seconds, and then it's gonna ask you where to upload the files. So I'm gonna go, keep clicking. Let me see. Oh, that's a long one, sorry about that. Okido, here. So this one here. Okay, so the five files, I changed the order. So just choose all of them and then enter, or you can click open here or enter, it's up to you. Open. And then it will ask you to accept terms of use. Okay, click on that box and use anonymously. And then here we go. Let's start uploading the files. So this side that is uploading. Okay, let's see. Here we go. When all is done, and you can see the videos, that means it's all done. And let me see. Okay, and this in order. A, blue can forego, like that. And then you can click make videos. Oh, remember, if your video file exceeds more than 10 minutes, it will say, oh, that's too long. You have to choose or cut it down. For example, this is a very short videos, and it's about, I don't know how much, but the limit is 10 minutes long only. Okay, then you choose make videos, and it's gonna ask you if you are human or not, human or robot, and you answer no, I'm human, I'm not a robot. And then it start connecting all the short videos into one big one. And just a minute. 81%. 81%. Okay, 91%. Oh, watch, the movie is ready. So you click on that. And then here you can watch the movie to see if it's okay, or do you want to adjust something else. Okay, now click on this to see.
A,
and blue, yes, in order. Blue. That's correct.
Blue.
Okay, And now you can download the movie. And click on this link. Okay, and then it's gonna ask you where to save the video, Michelle. Shh. Okay, and you can change the file name and save wherever you want. Let's see, ABC. I'll do ABC for quick and save. Okay, save. And then before you delete all the uploaded files, you want to check. You might want to check the downloaded one to make sure that it did it correctly. Okay. Oh, another thing is you can upload it picture the same way that you do with the short videos. That's it. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.